Hello everyone, I'm Jason Mamahon.
And I am Jomar Gabo. Today we are going to take you through the initial of how computers work and how to stay healthy while using them.
We'll cover everything from the physical parts of a computer to the programs that run them and finally some tips on proper setup. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about hardware. These are physical components you can actually touch. We categorize them into four main groups. Input devices, the CPU, output devices, and storage devices. Number one is input devices, like your keyboard and mouse, which send data to the computer. Number two is the CPU, often called the brain of the computer. It handles all the processing. Output devices is such as your monitor and printer, which show us the results of the input data. Storage devices, like hard drives or USB sticks, where we keep our files safe. But how does it all work together? It follows the data processing cycle. It starts with input, where you enter data, then comes processing, where the CPU works its magic. Next is output, where the information is displayed, and finally storage, so you can access it again later.
Section 3 Computer Software. Thanks Gilson. Now hardware is useless without software. These are the instructions that tell the hardware what to do. We break software down into three types. First, system software, like Windows or MacOS, is manage the whole computer. Second, application software. These are tools for you, the user, like Microsoft Word, Chrome, or Photoshop. Third is programming tools like Python or used by developer to create new software. And section for computer ergonomics. Lastly is talk about ergonomics. Using a computer for a long time can strain your body if you aren't careful to stay safe. First, posture. Sit with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Second, monitor height. The top of your screen should be at eye level to avoid neck pain. Third is the 20-20 rules. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds to rest your eyes.
Understanding your computer's hardware and software helps you work smarter.
And practicing good economics ensure you stay healthy while doing it. Thanks for watching.